Okay, so before this video starts, I want to thank you guys for 300 subscribers. It is amazing how we've made it this far into our subscriber count, and we're almost at our 4-year anniversary. Anyways, enjoy this elevator video of the final ride at Sears Southpark Mall, which will be closing on September 2nd. Okay guys, this is going to be the official final ride on the elevator here at Sears and Roebuck at the Southpark Mall in Strongsville, Ohio. For the last time, here is the elevator sign, and then I'm starting on the 2nd floor. This store might actually reopen as a Primark, I don't know for sure though. This is a Montgomery KONE from 1996. I like this ring around the button here. Here it is. Let's take my last 2 round trips on this. Here's the certificate, but it's completely wrong, so don't read it. It's a nice cab. I don't know why this thing is going off. Past these 20,000 pounds, Montgomery KONE. There's your ADFL. 2. This is not a service hauler because the 2nd floor does some stuff to the motor. For the last time, let's do this thing. Alright, one more time. Let's take one last round trip. We'll end back up here on the 2nd floor. Here's your fixtures, which are the only button that works on this elevator is the 2 button. That's literally the only button that lights up. 2. Let's do it down here one last time. It seems better when the chime actually worked. Anyways, last time up. And there we go, that's all guys. There it goes, and that's it. Just before we end, let's listen to the machine room one last time. Here's your button. There it goes. And that's it. The last ever time that this elevator is going to be featured on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. That's it.